So, you just took your favorite sunglasses out on a hike, but when you got home, you found them covered in dust and smudges. You don't have any lens cleaner or Windex, so what do? Cleaning your sunglasses without any special products is really simple, so follow this guide and we'll have your shades clean in no time. To start, run some warm water in a sink and grab some regular dish soap. Gently apply some soap to the lenses and use your fingers to work it in. Make sure to only use your fingers because something like a sponge or other materials might damage your lenses. After lightly scrubbing your sunglasses, rinse them with the warm water to thoroughly remove the soap. To dry, simply take a microfiber cloth and use it to wipe off all the remaining water. It's important to use a microfiber cloth to prevent your lenses from being scratched or damaged. If you don't have a regular microfiber cloth laying around, you can use the microfiber pouch that your glasses came with. And that's it. Your favorite sunglasses are now clean and ready for your next adventure. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or would like more information about the cleaning products that we have to offer, leave a comment down below or contact us on our website at rx-safety.com.